been a pretty busy time in the field of drug development for the treatment of bladder cancer. And just within the past year, we've seen the readouts from a number of large clinical trials that were really aimed to change practice, mostly in the first line treatment of patients with metastatic urothelial cancer. So we had the first readout of a trial combining chemotherapy and immune checkpoint blockade, and that's the IMvigor 130 study. And that study showed an improvement in progression-free survival with the combination approach. The overall survival also showed a numerical improvement, but didn't reach significance yet, and that's going to be carried forward to the final analysis. We had a press release just within the past 2 weeks from the Keynote 361 study, and that's a study that was designed very similarly to the IMvigor 130 study, and that was testing the combination of chemotherapy plus pembrolizumab versus chemotherapy alone. There was a third arm with pembrolizumab alone. That trial, based on the press release, didn't meet its primary endpoint, which was disappointing. And then at ASCO this year, in the plenary session, we saw the results of the Javelin 100 study, which showed that in patients who have at least stable cancer after receiving initial chemotherapy for metastatic urothelial cancer, that receiving switch maintenance immune checkpoint blockade with avelumab versus observation, which is really the standard of care in that context, led to a significant improvement in progression-free survival and overall survival, and that's poised to change standard of care.